How to switch to the no-poo method. Most, if not all, of today's shampoos and conditioners have some type of chemical soap in them. That is what creates the foam, if nothing else. You do have alternatives. Part 1. Washing your hair. 1. Start out with a ratio of 1 tablespoon of baking soda to a cup of water. 2. Get your hair wet while taking a shower. 3. Apply the baking soda water mixture to your hair, most especially to your scalp, and rub it in. Be aware that it will not create suds. 4. Don't use your fingernails when rubbing in the soda and water. Use your fingertips. 5. Rinse the soda out of your hair thoroughly. It will feel different than the way you are used to with the shampoo. That's okay. Part 2. Rinsing your hair. 1. Have a tablespoon of vinegar waiting in a cup outside of your shower until you are ready for it. 2. Fill the cup the rest of the way with warm water from the shower. 3. Pour it over your head, most especially over your hair. It isn't necessary to make sure that the mixture reaches your scalp, just make sure you are rinsing your hair with it. 4. Rinse your hair thoroughly after applying the vinegar mixture. You want to make sure that you get as much of it out of your hair as you can. Otherwise, you will feel like you smell like salad dressing. Part 3. Switching to water only. 1. Brush your hair before getting into the shower. This helps with tangling. 2. Stand under the water and massage your scalp. Here, you can use either your fingernails or tips. 3. Dry your hair as you normally would. 4. Do not use any product on your hair. You are trying to get your hair back to the way it should be. 5. If you absolutely must, comb a little baking soda through your part to help reduce the oiliness. 6. Wear a cap if needed, to cover your hair while it is going through this stage. You could also braid your hair. Then a sleeker look is expected. 7. Brush your hair. Brush your hair a lot. This could be the source of the old mantra of brushing your hair 100 strokes. However, you don't brush it that much. 8. Clean your brush. You need to clean your brush. You will be getting rid of the oils from your hair. 9. Once your hair has gone through the reset, go back to using the soda and vinegar. However, only do this once a week. H4 Phases of the no-poo method. H4. 3. 7 days, greasiness. 4. 5 weeks, more greasy than usual. Should be better than normal in about 6 weeks. Tips. When switching to water only, if you are more comfortable with it, stop using the vinegar first, then taper off the baking soda. Add more or less soda and vinegar to see if a certain ratio works better for you. White vinegar can be used in place of apple cider vinegar. Things. Baking soda water mixture. Start with 1 tablespoon of baking soda to 8 ounces of water. Apple cider vinegar mixture. Start with 1 tablespoon of ACV to 8 ounces of water. Adjust as you become more experienced with your hair and its needs.